Hey guys, so today we're going to separate this awesome T56 transmission, okay guys? Here, I'm not going to say my name, I'm not going to go that route, but I'm just the guy doing a job on a transmission. Got it?
This guy's doing dude things.
Yeah.
This thing to focus.
There we go. Shifting it. Counting the bed sides.
Like the panels, like what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, action. That's as easy as it is, right there.
Okay. Now it's a gear. That, and it also provides lubrication on the startup.
Got it. So you're saving it from dry bearing.
Yeah.
Got it.
In dry parts. They're still in it because they're still on it. What that is? Huh?
Tell one neighbor the Shelby.
Oh, it is. It's not.
In my pocket. So third gear is 37.2, right in front of me.
Okay.
Good. We're using the website to count the teeth to make sure we know which gear it is. Why is third gear less teeth than first gear?
So spring is gone. It's over. Peace. We learned that a little bit ago, right, Danny?
Yeah, we were stuck on it for a while. I'm just standing here watching the monkey.
That thing's on there. Yeah. That sounded nice. It's together. So we gotta go up with the assembly. Yeah. Now, no, just shift it somehow.
Here you go.
There you go. Yeah. It went up. Yeah. Okay. Just to throw this fella in there, like so.
Good.
Just an excellent engagement. Grease makes the world go around. My lord. This is really annoying. I knew how annoying this was. Oh.
Get it?
Isn't that what you do? Yeah, at the end, yeah. You just spread it all over, like if you were doing a... Oh, that seems to be smoother. I don't want to smash your fingers.
Oh.
There it is.
I don't know if we're supposed to let the brisket, but it just wasn't that great. I'm sorry. She doesn't listen to you. I don't know. Although you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. A lot of people listening, so you just never know. You might be really angry at me right now. I bit into that brisket over barbecue after 2 hours, and it was like a life-changing experience. It was like fat held together by cooking shows on the internet and all these small little shows that are on TikTok and for me it's Instagram that I watch. It's real exciting because it's making people enthusiastic about cooking, and I think it's introducing the option of becoming a cook, becoming a chef to a lot of people out there. I feel like today more people want to cook than ever before, and fewer people know how to cook than ever before. Like in the 50s, folks stopped cooking. Between microwave cooking and more people entering the world.
So every day he trains really, really hard. He's a world-class competitor. And then he makes pizza at night, and that's what he eats.
I'm doing diets, you know, and the dieting is actually not dieting, just eating what you want.
Like there, you can see that's the picture. You got the fire underneath, inside
Right.
the oven in space. You can kind of close it down.
Right, so you explain that. So you're not really doing an offset. You're smoking like almost like a commodity.
Well, how am I supposed to use this stuff?
Yeah, luckily there's plenty of tutorials online on how to smoke on a Kamado or how to grill on a Kamado. But you know, the thing about the ceramic, for most of them, it's the ceramic is what's retaining heat. But like I said, whoever makes one, it's way easy to move around.
It's definitely the whole body. It's definitely the whole body. Like everything is working. You're connected to the table at times as far as your base. Sometimes your base is your feet, but a lot of times you can base off the table. So you can base off your hips. But I'll tell you, no arm wrestler cares about doing squats. No arm wrestlers doing planks.
Yeah.
Okay? Or whatever. Yeah, there's Jody. She's pretty dangerous to listen to also. But yeah, one of his buddies, Mike Solaris, who's, you know, really good arm wrestler, was cheering for him, so I started to go after him. Yeah.
Smiling the whole time.
Yeah, that's fine. I like to fight for every single thing. I like to try and be more and more aggressive. And if someone matches me, Yeah, what's the conclusion with terminating? Isn't ultimately humanity? I think they're like Terminator 8. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the difference.
Okay. Folks. Great.
Well, everyone's going to slightly different days in temperature. The idea that everybody should be 98.6.
Okay. So now,
There are theories
Fair
of
enough.
temperature overall.
Fairly
In
centered.
the last 50 years or
Let's go for a
5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. It's going to advance
the wheels. Okay. Now we gotta lift.
so that I want to go
go to there, and this is sort of, we got it.
I perhaps am the same, but I don't know that.
Okay.
I tend to believe the
Jackson.
power and all of that.
Okay.
As long as you're
Yeah.
The angle of the subframe's not fighting you.
for the following
Let's see.
reason.
A little bit.
Be careful because it's gonna, when it goes, it's
just
gonna go.
to build up adenosine,
There it
more
goes.
time of that portal. There is one thing I want to mention. There's some very good
Crazy how well this thing is.
that can perhaps support the
Very stable. What you do, Jack.
These are very unique how the rate affect heart rate variability. Heart rate variability is good. There's this interesting mechanism that I think
That works really well.
not realize, but that medical students
Alright.
learn that your breathing and your heart rate and your
Uh-huh.
brain
Yeah.
are this really us, especially kids that have health
That's so nice.
conditions. For sake of improving immunity,
Oh, that's so
there's
nice.
a microbiome in the nose.
So now we gotta come.
Oh, with the subframe, we can lift from the center.
But when you exercise,
We have the weight of the subframe on the motor now.
you can do pure nasal.
The baby's being
This
born.
brings us into the realm of neuro.
Okay, can I go up?
Yeah.
There's a fascinating relationship between the hormone system and the nervous system.